Hello, this video will be focused on arithmetic sequences. These are sequences that change in equal progression and the difference between each successive term is equal. So let's take the example of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So the difference between each successive term is equal, so from 3 to 6 is 3, 6 to 9 is 3, 9 to 12 is 3, and 12 to 15 is 3. So there's a way that we can find any term in a sequence, such as this one. So we use the formula un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 d, where un is the nth term in the sequence, so 3 is the first term, so n is equal to 1, and for 15 is the fifth term, so n is equal to 5. u1, as mentioned, is the first term, which is 3, and d is the difference between each term, so in this case it would be 3. So let's take the example of u5 in this scenario. So we already know that u5 should equal to 15 as shown here, but we are just gonna see how the formula plays out. So u5 is equal to u1, which is equal to 3, so 3 over here, plus n, which is 5 over here, minus 1, and times d, which is, as mentioned, 3. So which is equal to 3 plus 4 times 3, put that in brackets, which is equal to 3 plus 12, which is equal to 15. I'll just make this a little neater. And yeah, that's how the formula should work. Some questions may also ask to find the sum of terms in a sequence, so we use the formula s of n is equal to n over 2 to u1 plus n minus 1 times d, which can also be equal to n over 2 u1 plus un, which we see from the formula for a term in a sequence. So if we take this example again, for the sum of 5 terms in this sequence, we can either use the formula n over 2, which in this case would be 5 over 2, 2 times u1, so in this case will be 2 times 3, plus n minus 1d, so 5 minus 1 times 3, which is equal to 5 over 2, 6, plus 4 times 3 equals to 5 over 2, 6 plus 12 equals to 18 times 5 over 2, which is equal to 45, which should be the answer if you just add all of these on a calculator. Let's try the other way. So using this formula, so the sum of the first five terms is equal to n over 2, which is 5 over 2 as before, times the first term, which is 3, plus the sum of the fifth term, or the last term, which is 15, so which equals to 5 times 18 over 2, which again equals to 45. And yeah, that's how you find the sum and any term in a sequence.